Okay, so I'm going to show you how to shade letters as this reference. So first take your text and add a stroke to it, for example like this, and set it to, let's say, 10 pixels so you can see how thick it is. So after that you need to do destructive step and convert this to the path. So go to path, object to path. Now we have we can adjust geometry of the text, and now again we need to convert this so it's split it into fill and stroke. So you can go to path and stroke to path. That will create a group which will contain fill, which is the red one, and the stroke, which we want, and we can ungroup this. And now we need this split this stroke to the separate parts. So I'm going to create the lines where I want to split it. So I'm going to take a pencil tool and go from here to here. Actually I can turn off snapping and I can snap. So let's go from here to here and snap it and set to some color we can see, for example like this, but it doesn't really matter. So we can just go and create all the shapes we want to separate. Right, also this and this. Okay, now we can select all the shapes we created by holding shift and clicking, and as the last step select the black path, and we can go to shape builder tool and just union the shapes we want to keep. So I'm just click and drag in and right and press enter. This deleted the fill, we just don't want to touch it. Okay, so let's select this and let's ungroup this and this, and yeah, yes, okay. So just black path and our cutting marks. So again, let's go this, and we don't need this. Okay, now it's separated and it looks like we did nothing, but just to visualize, I'm going to add the black fill and stroke so it's separated, and now we can add gradients. So let's select one segment, and actually we can select all of the segments and go to fill, add a gradient, change the gradient colors as we want. So let's say red, yellow, and change the opacity back, and let's make it, I don't know, orange. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so now we can select all of these shapes we created, right, and apply this. First remove it and apply, and oh no. Okay. Okay, again. Again, let's create the gradient. This first stroke actually, and let's close this. Right, and second one, the opacity full. Right, and apply the same fill to all the others. So pick, and now we can go to gradients tool and just select the shapes we want to adjust, and we can just adjust as we want. And now we can remove the black outline because we don't need it basically. And ta-da! This is how we do it. Hope does this and this helps.